and I forget. Teach me and I remember. Involve me and I learn. This is exactly what we do to dive into Pooja's books. Don't just teach your children to read. Teach them to question everything they read. Teach them to question everything. And here at Dive into Pooja's Books, we provide you all the answers to all the questions that you may be having. We encourage you to ask questions like who, what, why, when, and most importantly, how. So here, I am Pooja Mundara. I am a software engineer by profession and a really creative person at heart. I am a mother of 2 wonderful sons, and while bringing up my children, I realized that they can relate very much to stories, to books, to picture memory, and hence, as my responsibility to giving back to the community, I present to you these beautiful videos filled with exciting fun facts, unique concepts, and lots of knowledge. This will cover topics apart from school academics, and it will be worth watching with your kids. Expecting all children the same age to learn from the same material is like expecting all children of the same age to wear the same size clothing. You don't understand everything or anything until you learn it more than one way. So, here I give you another way of teaching your children, a fun way, and provide you answers in an interesting way with picture memory that will bring a powerful impact to your child's brains. We make learning fun and magic here. With a blink of an eye, you can be in this space watching the satellites, the rovers, the planets. With another blink of an eye, you can be underwater watching the submarines, the beautiful ocean life. With another blink of an eye, you can be with jungle animals. Why am I doing this? Because with this virtual world, with the internet, we can reach anyone and everyone equally. Everyone has the right of knowledge, and we want to provide it free to everyone, and hence I present to you these videos so that everyone can learn lots of knowledge with it. How do you watch my videos? You can go to YouTube and search for Dive into Pooja's Books, and yes, here you have all my videos. And to get updates on my new videos, don't forget to subscribe, press the red button below, and you get updates on the new videos free, and you can watch them anytime. Hope you are enjoying learning and sharing. See you again. Bye-bye. Thank you.